Hi, Joyce here. Thanks for tuning in. So I'm on this topics of thoughts and how many of us are sleepwalking through life but swear that we are wide awake and well aware of what's going on. Even the so-called enlightened ones and every one of us who believe that we are wide awake. But we still have a ways to go. But we do have some awareness and we are conscious to some degree, but the consciousness is an evolution. So every time you believe you're conscious and you're awakened and you're enlightened, you realize there's more to it. There's always more to it. And our minds are not designed to understand, to comprehend all there is. To know. We're just not made up that way. But the information is within our hearts. Our hearts carry all there is to know about all there is. But we're unable to tap into that from a human perspective. So we're going to talk about at least being aware of how important our thoughts and emotions our feelings are to this whole process of awakening. Coming into remembrance of self. Some people go through hypnosis, near-death experience, traumatized, or I did mention hypnotized, or through meditation. Or simply by being out in nature for long periods of time. Helps us to get in tune to that inner knowing, and gives us a greater glimpse into our true beingness, if you will. And why is this important? It's important because you will then become more mindful of what you're thinking and what you are feeling. Because as you're exposed to more truth and more reality, the lesser consumed you will be by what you perceive to be reality. There is like this releasing of wisdom and a knowingness that comes into your awareness that you become conscious about. And all of a sudden, it's like you can hear things you were not able to hear before. You can see things you were unable to see before. Your senses become keener as a result of this shift in awareness. Okay? But this shift in awareness, like I said, it begins with your thinking. So that's why I think the exercise of at least every hour, if you can, on the hour, you either record it on your phone or you make a note of it, however you have to do. Set your little vibrational alarm on your phone or something to remind you every hour to catch yourself, to think, what are you thinking about? And are you in the moment? Or is your mind going off into the past? Is it off into the future? Or is it really in the moment? And this exercise will then be the beginning of bringing awareness to how you think. Whether or not you're looping a certain type of thought. The vibration of that thought. Remember, everything is vibrational. We'll go into that. We'll talk about that in another show. But the thought that you're thinking, that you may be unaware that you're thinking, is looping something. You want to know the nature of the thoughts that you think. And taking note of that will then begin the process of deliberately changing and shifting those thoughts that are habitual. Because those habitual thoughts create your reality. It loops your reality. Those habitual thoughts create your feeling and your emotions. It triggers your reactions and responses to things within your environment. Those thoughts and feelings keep you within a certain environment. If it's an environment you love and you enjoy and you look forward to getting up to every day, that's fine. If it's something that you'd like to change a little, then we can explore this, and see where it takes us, So as we move forward, we'll continue little things like this. My hope, my prayer, my selfish desire, if you will, is to share so that we can all move into this thing vibrationally, living our best life, having just appreciation for all that is and all we've been gifted with. And it all starts with our feelings, our thoughts, and emotions. So, peace, much love, and until the next time, hit the thumbs up, share it, subscribe, comment below, tell me your thoughts. I'm learning from you, Much love. Peace out.